Hey students, welcome to our week in farm management. Now what I want to do in this video is go over the week, share with you the resources that are out there, what the homework is for the week, and even open that up to take a look. All right, let's dive into the week. When you come to your week, you're going to see two videos that are uploaded. You need to click on these links and watch these videos. They will basically be your notes for the week. Make sure that you take notes along the way, as I say in the videos. Also, the videos have review questions. Make sure that you can answer those questions. If you have or need help with these, let me know. But those are the two presentations that are listed for the week. Now, you also have a homework for the week, and this is due on Friday by noon. So let's pull this up and take a look at what I'm asking you to do. So what I'm asking you to do, let me slide this over where you can see it. I am asking you to go through each of the items below, and in the videos it talks about debits and credits. So I need you to come in here and look at each one of these and decide what are the chart of accounts that this deals with, and then write these in here, and what's the debit and the credit. I'll do the first one for you. So our business sells $65,000 worth of hay, and we collect cash in 30 days. So we are not going to get the money right away. We are going to get what's called an accounts receivable. So we're going to put in here account receivable, and that is going to be for $65,000. Now, to the right is what you do. You indent the credit. So the debit is an asset for $65,000. What's the credit? Well, the credit is going to be hay sales, and that's going to be for $65,000. Now, that is going to be how you'll get done the first one. Get rid of those extra spaces. That's how we get that finished. Perfect. Keep going through here. Now the business is going to collect the sales of $65,000. The money got paid back. So it's going to be now cash, or our bank account. So maybe I'll put that how I did it in the video. That's the bank account is going to be a debit of $65,000. And the credit is going to be to get rid of that accounts receivable because we no longer need that. It was a debit. Now it is a credit. And so that account has been completely offset and is done. So that is kind of how we would deal with this one. All right, so these are the transactions you're going to make, and there's going to be several of them. You're also going to record the results down here in the bottom. So the first one, number one, was a accounts receivable for $65,000. And over here, it was equity of, number one was hay sales for $65,000. Now, that would be the result here in the very beginning. So it balances. Number two was the accounts receivable, but I'm going to put a bracket for $65,000, which takes that away. And we're going to have our bank account. Actually, I need that to be number two as well. So number two, it's not going to let me do that. So let's just do a 2 there. It's not going to let me do that either. 2, and then I'm going to put bank account. And that's a positive $65,000. So you see how these two offset? And you're left with $65,000, there's still $65,000 that one. So our balance sheet still balances. So what I'm wanting you to do is do every one of these transactions one at a time, then put the results down here, and at the end, all of your asset entry should equal the liabilities plus the equity. At least that's the challenge. All right, so that's what I want you to work on for this week. So there is the week. Watch the videos. Here's the homework. That's how it works. When you get this homework done, you are going to choose File, Save As. When you choose File, Save As, you will name this homework with your name. Put your name in here, save it. When you get it saved, upload it back to Blackboard so that I will be able to see it, then I can score it and give you your score. You've got to save it and upload it to Blackboard. If you're using Microsoft or you're using Google Docs, then Google Docs should let you export the file, which you could then upload. If you're using Microsoft Word, then you'll do like I did. If you're using Microsoft Works, it will probably import the Word document and lets you edit it. There's lots of ways you can get this done. If you want to just print this out and do it by hand, you can actually scan that or take a picture of it and upload it back. Lots of ways you can get it done. Hopefully this video helps you see how you can get it done and how you're going to work on the homework for the week. Thanks and have a great week. If you have questions, like always, reach out and let me know. Thanks.